In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resize your product images to the same size on Shopify. When product images are not uniform, your collections can look messy. Items may appear taller or wider than others, and that can make your store feel less polished. The good news is that Shopify lets you standardize how images display on collection grids by setting a consistent image ratio. This does not change your original image files, it simply controls how they appear across your theme. First, go to your Shopify admin and open Online Store. From there, go to Themes and select Customize. This opens the theme editor where you can adjust how your storefront looks without needing any code. Next, you will want to navigate to a place where product cards are shown in a grid. The most common options are a collection page, where customers browse products by category, or a featured collection section on your homepage. Use the preview and the page selector in the editor to switch to the collection page, or click into the featured collection section if you are editing your homepage. Once you are looking at a grid of products, go to the left sidebar settings. Look for a setting area labeled Product Card or Grid Settings. Different themes use slightly different names, but you are looking for the controls that affect how each product tile or card displays. Inside those settings, find Image Ratio. By default, many themes use something like Adapt to Image, which causes every product to keep its original proportions. That is usually what creates uneven tiles. Change the image ratio to a consistent option such as Square, Portrait, or Landscape. Square is a common choice for a clean, uniform catalog, while Portrait may work better for apparel, and Landscape can suit wide product shots. After choosing your ratio, turn on the option labeled Enforce Image Ratio or Fill Card. This helps the images fill the available space and prevents white gaps or uneven spacing inside the product cards. Depending on your theme, this may crop the edges of some images slightly, so take a moment to preview a few products and confirm everything still looks good. Finally, click Save. Give it a moment to apply, then preview your collection again to confirm your product images now display at a consistent size. That covers everything you need to know.